Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to improve your aim in Delta Force so that you can hit every target with precision. First of all, to improve your aim, launch open Delta Force and from the main home screen tap on Settings at the top right corner. From the Settings menu, click on Controls. There you can customize by choosing from the options and fine-tune your sensitivity until you feel smooth controlled movements. You can go ahead and customize operations or warfare options and select it according to your preference. And now tap on sensitivity from the left hand side. You can also lower or fine-tune your sensitivity from the many sensitivity options on the screen. Simply drag the white sliders left or right and play around with the customization options. Now click on Gyroscope sensitivity at the top and adjust the gyroscope sensitivity as well. After you've done that, click on Basic from the left-hand menu and then under Aim Assist, select On and go to Control at the top and select Gyroscope option and choose Always On. After you make this change, you can then go ahead and shoot effectively by improving your aim in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.